me a countryman, me no idiot in the road, me know, you know, you sit back, me there look down there. Yes, so me a stay look down there, me nah go down there. Nothing no down there so what me want. Man, if something even down there what me want, me nah go get it, I stay. Cause me nah go down there, no. You mad man. That a man they will want down there so. Me no want nothing with them man, the brother. You know, see all them man, the banana them just stay there ripe and dry up on the tree. Nobody no
you know,
cut
so
one.
nothing wrong with the man. People just give the man the hard name here, you know.
Yeah? The man, they kind of no nice to you know. No nice man. No nice man, brother. Notice all the banana down there, so you know. A man that want cut one of them when them they shoot, you know. But a man I tell him, say, no one none. Nobody not trouble them, brother. You know this how they stay? Then just whisk take them over and tree, and then just hand at the tree them. They what shoot, what come to something. If you shoot a ripe, a rat eat it, or a rat nap and go back to the earth down there. And that thing want to happen to something them, brother. You know, want no man eat them, no man no pick nothing, a man no dig one and yam, a man no pass through in place. So you just left him in place and make it stay like how he stays. You see what it look like? Would I call it woodland or forest then? It just a forest. He just grew up now with some wild trees too. He mix with good trees in there too. Cause fruit tree in there and lumber tree in there. Cause see mango there, see aki there. See Spanish alamia sauce, see breadfruit and so if I something down there. Banana, everything down there, man. But yeah, nobody no really a go down there. Nobody no go down there, brother. Rent a down there be the million.
Remember, see, I don't go tree top here.
Only top of the tree, them we can see from up here, so yeah. You can't see root. You can't. Yeah, then root the big one. Then tree root the way just see the top up here, so.
Yeah.
If you see the chunk of it, man, I know nothing pretty then down there. I know nothing pretty. I hear then down there, you know. I whole it for years, brother.
Small tree.
When me a youth, you know, we used to have a shortcut through there, so you know.
Yeah.
From up there, so we call it all road.
Yeah, all
Right. We used to call it all road. So we walk a all road good on.
Yeah.
But it come like all road was people place.
I never nobody place.
Well, me no know.
At the first road, you know.
That me learn.
Yeah, the first
That me learn.
Before this.
That at the first road for carry you to Springbank before this one cut round the side. Yeah.
Like a 4 feet road.
Yeah, so since as them I go build road now for gas Springbank, then you cut it round this side.
Yeah.
So that don't use as whole road.
A vehicle,
yeah. So then use just for the vehicle.
So me assume it, you know.
That me tell me says, but
the whole road that.
That me here, see a whole road.
Yeah.
But now, to me, nobody never choose to walk a whole road again. Nobody no want to use whole road again. Whole road becomes people private place now, brother. If you go down a whole road, they know I try to go through
when
this.
we used to go a show at night time.
A true day.
Nobody now grow.
No man, we don't walk around the road. Everybody use this. All road, yeah. All road.
No care dark.
No care dark.
Yeah.
We know it.
Yeah,
we know it like that.
We
know if you step up, we know if you step down.
Yeah.
We know it like that.
When
yeah.
youth, that's how we growing up, bro.
Yeah.
Yeah.
From the yard to the one, man.
So. Yeah, Miss Lena down there.
Same way.
Some Mitchie down there.
Down a bottom. Yeah.
So you know, say, then she pit the yard there, then boy pit there, you know.
You have some way when we are go market, you know, when we are go downtown, you know, we could have walked through the road yard, you know, and go down there, so, you know, and go back down in the road, you know.
Yeah, you'd have one hole around there, so.
Yeah.
When I start with you know, we then call all man hole.
All man hole, yeah.
That's why I want
one edge like over there.
Steep down like a
man. Where the water come cross,
if you drop off there,
yeah, deep gully gone
down
there,
yeah. So down a hole man.
It's a valley that, you
know,
man. Carry down in a one valley, gone back down a Falkland.
When time we live as youth, you know, bro, we never used to cook at night time as boy.
Yes, we cook at night time.
1, 3, 4 hours.
Yeah, in our youth days growing up. Yeah, man. That was good sport, that.
Yes.
That was a good sport. Crayfish soup at night time. Okay. All right. Yeah, man. Yeah. We do that. We do a lot of that.
We used to eat with parents rooster them at night.
Okay.
Catch them up a roost.
Take out the cocky of a roost at night time?
Yeah. Yeah, we catch a rooster there.
No, sir, we not do that. I make kind of funny too, you know. Them they meet, them me couldn't eat it. Me not go on. Me no want on. Me not go on.
Right.
No.
We as boy, we are soldiers.
Yeah, me know some. What me know boy pitney way tough like we them man.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. He could have just cut him throat him and cook him eat.
You can't eat that
Like one
you know.
day, like one day, me catch one of my old lady rooster,
Yeah.
and she we eat him.
Eh.
You know,
Yeah.
before the old lady come,
From road.
this man claw feather and
And
something
something,
and clean
yeah.
up back the place.
Exactly.
And, you know,
Yeah.
so. Like for me day today, you know, you are like around 4 hours apart, you know. For me yard there, so.
Yeah.
For your house there, so we, you know, we live close. We are neighbor. Yeah.
So we grew up.
So you know, say me cook something today, you have to cook something
you
tomorrow.
have to provide it for
Yeah.
tomorrow.
Yeah.
Exactly. Exactly.
So this night now for we cook.
Yeah.
I such man one.
Yeah.
Tamachi.
Yeah, a feel evening.
Yeah.
Come up with one rooster or something.
We come up with this little rooster. You know.
Yeah, man.
And brother, he have a big coffee foot rooster down there. You know.
Yeah.
Big like me and you know, wood
Yes.
sitting grow up on it.
Yes.
So we say, what that one feed?
You're going to have the one here tonight.
Yeah, but me.
Yeah, man.
So I sleep in our lime tree.
Yeah.
Grab that, you know.
Yeah.
Yes. When I go in, so we say, go and feed.
Yeah, they no film people in fall, man, and him have to go catch it. Yeah, man. Danny. Oh! Hey, Matt, you're sampling
Yeah,
out easy.
Yeah, man, a film night, you know.
A film night, so I have to come with film roaster
Yeah.
tonight, man. Yeah, man.
So as the cocky night, the rooster, and deep sleep, you know.
Yeah, when you at night, you have to take him out, man.
Yes.
You can't catch him at day.
So such man say, as in grab him,
Yeah.
rooster dead.
Eh?
Yes, that night, this rooster and deep sleep and a wake.
And no wake. Eh. So, see, I dead in dead.
And brother, so we go now, we should to cook that, you know.
Yeah.
And as that man put him down, you know, the rooster say, "Quam, fly off in that night."
Yeah.
And fly over gully there, you know.
Eh.
And when we are build back towards the night there. Kind man say she went pitch in the dark.
So you can't go for him. The boy Danny is skilled too, you know. A dirty man, you know.
So where they when we live down the south.
Danny, Danny,
so.
that man. I don't so Danny growing, you know.
So you supply already.
Yeah, man.
Margie?
I'm a growing man.
Yeah, man, I will grow him, man. I will general, man.
Yeah,
I really,
man.
man. I hope you ain't grow with me, man.
Yes,
And then
grow.
say you do much setting fall egg, pan for Jizzy then video. Then say I me too much setting fall egg. But I feel with boy, man. I feel with him, man. So in the catch back the rooster in the night, eh?
But the man, as the man build it torch and go down the rain start fall, look say, and beat.
You know him in the same belly big in crave from my boy, you know.
What you mean?
Hey, the man they never easy, me
The
I
man
tell
they
you,
can't
man.
eat enough, man.
Yeah, man, a terrible boy, man.
And when that man a come from down a gully there, you know,
Eh.
the man find a 8 bunch of banana well full, cause we not nothing to cook with it, you know.
Yeah.
We never set no plan like
Nah,
you know.
nothing, yeah.
But you just come up in the night, they say,
Yeah.
I feel your night.
Yeah,
tonight.
man. So, yeah, man, if you come with one rooster.
Yes.
Yeah. So when you grab for Miss Lena one in night, then say dead. Can't fall asleep, you know.
Yeah.
So you feel like say, you know, make no noise,
Yeah,
in dead.
dead.
So you go put him on careless, no one believes, say, well, then everything all right with him. Then if he did dead, you would still want him to eat.
Yeah, one hour, him a kill him, you know.
Eh.
And him a pick him and
And everything.
Yeah.
In a night there.
Yeah. A film thing, you
We know
know.
the two brave too, you know. Me and them boys used to cook at night time when we young at Falkland, you know. But here and now. Me never choose to cook that. No, Roddy, me never choose that. Me not choose that at night there.
Yeah.
Me we cook crayfish soup, and we cook sip, and we will cook rice, whatever we have. Porridge, yeah, anything like them thing there. We cook them there in a night there, you know. All 12, 1 o'clock, you know.
We never have them there.
Fowl? Fowl did enough, man, but me not go through that.
But I know.
Me not go through that. All not feel yard fowl enough.
Yeah.
Cause Prophet used to raise enough fowl. Calling them and them people. Fowl they round we
When
see
you're
enough,
youth,
man.
You see it rooster fowl hard, man.
Me never do that. Me never trouble people fowl.
I know people fowl. I feel
All
fowl.
feel we own. Cause me
Feel
tell you,
own,
me
cause
funny
few
too, you know.
You hear me say? Few parents say I know
Me
fowl.
know that. That
Yeah.
is something when me sure and know too.
Yeah, no
but me no
fowl.
want none in a night
So
to
you
cook.
mean when you don't want the
Me
meat?
not eat him. Me can't eat him. You see
Oh.
if that just kill less already.
Yeah.
And if you go cook and eat it, the place too raw. With all the bush park we kill him. No, so me can't eat him. Me coulda never have a meal of that. Never, never.
When we are youth, we want to
Yeah, when we are youth,
Yeah,
we kind of did grow different, you know, because you don't know one now. In a Falkland, let me tell you, me and me par with them, who me par with, then time they know. When we all go cook in a night, I would have me and Bubble Rye, Shabba, Strongy, then you there would have come round when we are go cook. If me and Bubble Rye decide say we are come from road, and anyhow was at the night, you know, we are go cook still, you know.
Then time they were not big youth, man.
Yeah, then time they we are big enough youth
big,
still, yes,
yeah.
but me I tell you, say,
I mean, me not live in them big days.
younger,
Yeah.
when you go to school,
Yeah.
eh?
Oh, you mean?
No, sir, we not do them the something when we did so young.
Me
Me couldn't get that chance they when my mother. No, my mother grew me different already. Me can't live out of my house when me in my boy days there.
Here one now.
No.
We can't. Here one now. We can't move from
That yard to the next yard.
Yeah.
Right.
No.
Yeah, brother, respect man. There you know?
That's it. Yeah, I got you. Yeah, man. Just see.
Bless up yourself.
Yeah, respect man.
Alright, brother. Yeah, man, when me little son already, my mother tight man with man. We grow like girl picking in our house. So we mother not give we no chance, then we there when we little son. The only time we get privilege is when we go to Falkland, you know.
Here one now. Yes, it's only live on front page.
Yeah, we no get them privilege they from we mother.
But you see, we were living at the hills.
Yeah,
now.
we no get more privilege.
Different life.
Definitely, a different life, me for true.
Yeah,
and that's why enough time when me a boy, you know, me did miss the country life up here, so you know.
Country life.
We come back in the hills, you
then
know.
Your granny, your granny and your mother.
Me miss that. Me miss them people there when me left go live a Bumbrook.
The amount that come and fall where they have.
When me left go live a Bumbrook, you know. I like 67, 68 we left up there, so you know, go live a Bumbrook, you know. So you know, all the rest of years, they me grew up. Yeah, Norwich to Bumbrook, Norwich and Bumbrook me grew up. So you find, say, for me find a fun when me have those days, I mostly like river, we would have go. And my mother now let me lose figure there, so. Me can't go. Me nah make me go. Me can't, if me do go, me know where me go face when me come back. If he finds me gone a river, you know, she could all come a river for me. I saw that lady they stay like that. You understand?
My lady too,
so yeah, me no get that privilege there. But you see when me go to Falkland go live now and go among Squeechy them and Jesty and then you they know. At night time we would have cook pot over lane. And so we cook, but
flour
we cook flour and butter. We would have cook flour and whatever we have, mackerel or so with it.
Then we used to go torch into, you know.
Torch and crayfish, that one, that.
Yeah,
then fun there we got.
Yeah, we used to go
then
torch
did
and
feel
come
fun.
back
Yeah.
But you have the night when time.
No crayfish no there.
And no torch night.
No, so I'm gonna eat one rooster.
Yes. So
hey, me used to notice, alright, when we are bigger boy, you know, and they run, alright, when me there Falkland, me grew up, and me, you see like proud for them now, as me smaller brother them. And night time, them and Ramon, them are cooking, you know, that have a matic smaller brother them, you know. Them and them cook them fowl at night, you know, and eat in the night there, you know. But me can't eat that. When me come out from outer road in the night and see them boy in the kitchen and cook, and when me check them and say, what no I do? Then say them a cook. And if fine with me, them a cooking, you know, me no have a problem with them and cooking, you know, but me no want to know where them a cook that time. No care where them a cook and no care at a certain time, me no go can eat this. No, sir. Me no go can eat certain thing when it is certain hours of the night, they know, me come from the road, burn much weed and I go sleep now. Me no want nothing like that.
Your belly full, man.
Yeah, man, me no want nothing like that.
Your belly full, can me eat anything.
Bubba right now, he is a man anyway cane there, he have to find one cane road.
Yeah,
and knock one good 12 giant cane first.
Yes.
Me gone in, gone lay down. Me gone in.
The whole night him did a squeeze.
Yeah, man, you hear him out the door a belch. You hear him out there a belch straight before him come in. And a man, when you go, you see some piece of cane cut long so. We squeeze out and dry. A man have turned over them there with all piece of sticker man in and I say, who did I eat them last night? I wish donkey did there so. Because they may cut big enough.
Because me
Bubba Rye peel them and eat them there, man. No care how late the night is, man. That man have to get one cane or something. One orange or something.
Cane did it in time there, you know.
Oh, you mean every yard you look in a cane there, man?
That man see cane now.
Wait, part of America?
Like him
must
come
be sell.
Like in command and Kane.
He will want the same way. If you have good teeth, me no know when teeth then stay now. Because I will if I hears now, me no see him, so me no sure when teeth then stay. He no must not have no good teeth to mash up Kane again.
He could have artificial teeth.
Him no must have good teeth to keep Kane again like one time.
And when the man they are crush
Hey,
sport, not
remember when time me and Bobby Raya come from road at night time, you know. Sore to did have one Kane teeth, you know, look out, you know. Crayfish Kane in there be the million in the road. When you stand up and look in at the Kane field, you know.
And then tall and the
I
tree.
sell sure to have to sell out that, you know. And make me tell you, say, Bobby Ryan mash it down flat like this, so.
Me say.
When you go in the one night, have so good to find something for eat, you know.
Me say.
That man pass through every night and take one, you know.
Some ribbon Kane down there.
I tell you, man.
Kane longer on the light post.
When Bobby Ryan cut one down there, so, he might eat, he come straight up here, so, and he not done.
Yeah.
And a one Kane that.
Yeah.
You hear me say? And he have a knife, a peel, and I eat, and a screw, and I eat, come up, you know.
Hey,
I pleasure that, you know.
One set.
Alright, and I eat that, I come up.
Yeah, man.
And I wipe sweat with him towel. Hey, that man pleasure for eat Kane come up the hill, man. Me never see a next man love Kane like that, man. That man love Kane aimlessly. All in a night, them man they are left and I say, Brooks, you know, man, I'm going to go look to Kane. I say, Kane, me not go look down Kane in the night, brother.
You know, say Kane can roll it for life.
And then something there.
Oh, scratching, skin scratching.
You see, when we are walk during the day, anyway, Kane route, them man, they see it. It come like goat feed when you are raised goat. Anyway, goat feed, then you have to see it. You know what me I deal with?
Yeah.
So, well, I him that and Kane route. Anyway,
Yeah,
Kane route, them man, they see it.
Yeah.
And later, them tell us, you know, so me this is two Kane over there, so me go look one, you know. Them man, they go look one good Kane, come back and sit down and eat, man. Yeah, man, them man, they love Kane bad, man. Kane good for you still when
Yeah,
you can't
man.
eat it that way there.
Yeah, man.
Because they say Kane strengthen your teeth.
Yeah.
And it do a lot to your bladder.
Yeah.
It cleanse your system.
Yeah, man.
You know, it free up your bladder. You know what I mean? I say, can you make your urine often, you know?
Yeah, man.
So it wash your system out, you know,
Yes,
brother.
aye.
Only if I look with your techie in there, you know.
Yeah.
But here with me and Kane, you know. If me 3 giant of Kane, me get hungry, you know. Because the sip of chai and not nah swallow, you know. Me not like that.
Oh, you mean not nice?
Little juice there, little juice there. No, sir, little juice that,
You
man.
are hard food.
No, sir, me can't bother with the sip of China. When you done char the sip of cane, all them places so tired in a row. Me no bother with that, man. Me no bother with that at all, man. Cane too hard for eat, man. Cane want somewhere hard for eat in a row.
That me like, man.
You hard for eat, man.
Yeah, man.
Cherry love cane, but me
Kane have a build up a jawbone.
let me tell you with cane. Alright, you see if somebody peel the cane and give you, or you peel your cane, you can't eat. But you see, if you peel the cane with teeth,
That me like.
so that some person like.
Yeah, me no want
They
nobody-
peel it
me no
themselves
want- me
with
no
them
like
teeth,
peel
you know.
cane.
Me can't eat it so.
Me no want that.
That will broke out my teeth.
More
You have had
cane.
some cane bump with tough like iron in a ruddy.
Hey, anytime I buy cane, more and take my knife and peel it that me sell.
That me know enough
Yeah,
man do with them.
and
self.
that made me
But you
chop
don't know
off
what
it.
with cane now. Me kind of afraid cane man, you know. If you buy cane all uptown, me not do it, me not like
Yeah,
it.
but me not buy
Me not
cane.
follow you.
Me
You know
not
me
buy
see happen to a youth one day, Roddy. A man come off our bus. We are come from Falmouth. And the man stop. You got a watch, he will stop. But when he stop, him say, he want a piece of cane for buy. So he see cane man over there, so he come off a bus here. So the bus stop there. So you know I let off and I take up people.
Yeah.
So you know say he see the cane man cross the street. So he step across the street and tell the cane man say, like he say, sell me $100 worth of cane. And the man take up one nice piece of cane off and cart and take up in something, you know, if he starts peel it off, he sell it. The man say, no, don't peel it, you know, want it peeling, want it just like that. So the man give him it so. So when the man hand him in the cane, the man feel say, he might go just go with it so. He tell the man say, if you lend him the machete, no, make him chop off when you want chop off it. You know, the man lend him machete. The weird thing this a man I don't know when he get the cane man machete from the cane man. Chop up cane man, you have a man on the bus where a man might come from down by there. And that man he can chop up. Like he take the bus, and when he take the bus, he see this a man here in the bus. When he want. And tell himself, say, me and you today. At the next stop. And you see the next stop, man, borrow cane man machete. Buy the piece of cane from cane and say, lend me a machete.
Big sights in you.
What you mean?
Yeah.
And return pan in the bus pan the brother here, you know.
You wanna. You wanna.
Chop him up, you know. Chop him up in the bus there, you know. You hear me say? And no man no appreciate that the man a borrow the man machete for do, you know. Be blood in a bus. People are run out of that. Cause this a man ya come back wicked pan the bus in with the machete now.
Yes, sir.
And you know, King man have some wicked sharp machete already.
Bill?
I have him now and then the man put file pan this way. So him peel one key and he file again, you know.
Yeah, if he keep it on edge.
Be sharp in it, you know.
Yeah, man,
Then
he
me
keep
nah
it on
tell you,
edge,
man.
man.
The man chop up the man fine,
keep it on
chop him
sharp
up
edge,
on the bus,
man.
man. Chop him up wicked, man. People have to pitch out of this, man. I'll drive up and run out of this, brother.
What you mean?
Cause this a man tell himself, say.
You don't know if a madman.
Nobody pan the bus no know where this a man up to, you know. Cause no man, and like them a quarrel pan the bus and come all the journey, you know. No man, no
just come pan the bus.
And he see enemy.
Yes.
And tell himself, say, Ratty, you know how long me want you. Just like that, you know, brother. So probably I'll let this a man, yeah, the nether man will get chopped up. In good name, see say this a man did dip on the bus. Cause him not appreciate the man. Cause if him that appreciate the man dip on the bus, you know. Him would have come off of the bus before he would have come on the bus neither. You know? Exactly. So what happened to him now is like they have been a long time rival. Or you know, some people have been area war or family member or something, but you know, say me company bus and me say Rasta Road here where are my enemy. Me not go take the bus, you know. If me see you, you know, cause me know say me enemy dey pan the bus, you know.
Yeah, man.
Me not take the bus there.
No.
Me make the bus there go on, brother. Me don't see a man pan the bus where me and him in a rival,
Yes,
man.
sir.
Remember, you know, you trod road there, you know, and any man kind of things, you know. And if me I go down the road and me see a man where me and him in a rival, me I watch him, you know. Me have to have my eye on him.
Yeah.
So if me take a bus with him in at the bus when me go in and see him sit down in a one seat in there, so.
And he not see me.
And him not see me. Is either me come off back or me not take my eye off of him. You get what me I say? So me not go get that way. Me have to have to smart up. And the next thing too, when you go a road and make trouble with people too. When you go in a people community and make problem with them or create problem, nobody believe you can't just run in back in the people in place, so you know. Remember you got a bus stand now and you go make trouble up a bus stand. They you know believe said this a man ya, we hold you one at a time.
Oh, you mean?
I want place
no
where.
How long it is, and you are going to say that a long time.
A long time.
And you're running back.
Exactly. But this a man never forget you.
He never forget
and
you.
Depends on where you do him too.
Right.
So when when me go a road, me no create problem with people.
No.
Because me good have to go come back here, so. And me good have meet you at one next place again.
Free,
and me want to be free anywhere me go. Me not have to look over my shoulder and look for nobody. You get me? No, me no want to live them life. There. So when me go a road, me no go to make trouble. Me go to make money.
Yes, I.
You have some man left the yard, you know. But when him a go away, he take up his knife, put in his pocket. Where you go with that? You have an intention.
You know?
Is either you have an intention or you and a man. You and people out there rival, so you're not let yourself careless there.
Some man, you know. Some man, you know, say, to how we live, you know, he must walk with the knife.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Because he not dropping guard. Because he know, say, he can get up, a man can run in pan him at any moment.
And while you have some man, you know, walk with him like a pen knife.
Just for in natural purpose. Yeah. Not for harm anybody. Just for cutting cane or cutting little herb or if you peel one orange or something like that out of street.
You know, if big, you know.
No. So man like all me know. Me no walk with no knife, you know. Me no need knife. Me and nobody not rival when me have to tell myself say me not drop my guard. My guard ain't ever drop.
Yes.
Because you know, like me I look for nobody to rush me, no attack me for no one. You understand? That back then when me did younger and you know say you go a dance and your man we catch up and you and your brethren them and man we have rivals, so you have to look out cause you're friend and you know. But me not live that way no more. If Falkland man and man out of town have something, you know, me not guard my head back, you know. Me no response for them. And who go out a road go make trouble? That back then when me a the young boy.
Yeah.
Me done defend me area or my brethren them from me area. You know, me no depend that again. Me no depend anything there again. That back then, brother. So me know say all 6 we left go uptown and if a man do one man not the whole away go get involved. That back then. That back then. If them little one you know go uptown and make trouble uptown, they don't have to take care of them trouble with them make. And them and them companion now they know them and them charge you go hard rival with prospect man. You understand? Our free school man, you get what me I say. But we no dependent thing there again. So me no walk with weapon, me no walk with knife. If me even have one little knife, I like if me I come a hills you know, me we try with me little knife in my bag. If I cut me herb and if me guys and find one jelly me can cut off it up. Yeah, you get me. But me no walk with weapon. Me no need to do that again. Me no guard me head back no more. Me and nobody not rival. Like one time when me young, me know say me couldn't go uptown left me knife.
Yes.
Me can't go a dance left me knife. Me have to have me knife for me, you know. So if you know say you live good a road and I live clean, and then where do you have to live? You know, you no need to worry about nothing because you're free. You're a free man, and everybody know you and know you're not a problem person. You not make trouble. But things we used to do when you're 25, you know, you can't do it when you're 55, you know. You don't understand. So 30 more years from that, you know, you can't do the same thing anymore because you grow on a certain thing now. And you're not planning to live a life there all the while.
You can't do it under that much.
No. So when you become a big man, grandfather and father, your life will change. From when you are just with you just one boyfriend and girlfriend something. You know me I deal with? Yeah. Mix up, carry go bring come life and then kind of something. Then no man, we grow up then something then no man. We are big people now. We are live like big people, big man and woman. We no need to live no more careless life and live like no picnic again. Cause you know long me no hang out a roadside. Like left me yard, gone round the road or gone down the road.
I must run up here one now.
Yeah, you know me must have a cage on. I must have 9 nights I go on and me say me a walk go show me face. Yeah. We grow on them something they know. I feel we boy them at the roadside now one night about weed and a look girl. We not defend that again.
We remember
how the road look when night come. Yeah, right. So people, me and Buster Roddy are grandfather now, you know.
Yes,
Bubba Wright too, you know. Them and their grandfather long before we, you know.
Yes,
Because Bubba Wright supposed to go near great grandfather now, you know. Because Bubba Wright first granddaughter, you know. So, should I give him grand already again, you know. So hopefully we are going to reach this one night time to because Jelisa now come and feel like one them a come over here, you know. So if we live to see them come get picnic, where you call them the picnic, the great grand.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so live good people. I want to see you know first and third and fourth generation.
Yeah, man.
And that me want to see. I want to see Jelisa youth them now, you know. And Papa youth them.
Oh, you mean?
Yeah, then you them me want to see now. Anyway, then. Yeah, man. Cause me a grandfather now, so me a look for a great grand now. Yeah, me a grand now, you know. Me a grand now.
And everybody got one grand, you know.
I know everybody going to reach there, so.
Yeah, I'm a 5 grand boy. Me
know. You know. So people big up on yourself, thumbs up every time, and know say Rasta Roddy Brooksy. Alright, you know.
Hills, you know.
See him way go, man. Yeah.
Oh, you mean?